The GWTPMSR offers a flexible and cost-effective solution for a wide range of vehicles. Installing it correctly is key to ensuring a proper seal and accurate pressure readings. Let's go through the installation process step by step. To remove their rubber stem sensor, we need to cut the bottom part of the base. To install the rubber stem sensor, we need this tool that can connect with the sensor tightly through the threads. Normally, by directly pulling it is okay, but if you feel it's too difficult, you need to add some grease here to lubricate it. Then we can remove the tool. Now we can mount the main part of the sensor. Hand tighten the sensor. Then use a torque wrench to tighten the screw to 4 Newton meters. Make sure the sensor base stays parallel to the rim, not angled to either side. The GWTPMSR is now properly installed and sealed. With everything set, you are ready to move forward with the programming and relearn steps to get this vehicle's TPMS system fully operational.